That was so fast. Like I literally blinked and oh my god, oh my god. Hi guys, good day and welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl, Peace Dora, and I'm back again with another video. So guys, I've been checking out a couple of contents and I'm super excited. The next one here is titled Deadliest Motorcycle Race in the World. Deadliest motorcycle race in the world, Isles of Man. You guys, I'm actually tense. The last time I saw the Isles of Man, it's like my heart left my body. Like it was so scary. I don't know why. I'm not sure I want to see this one, but like I just was like, okay, let me check it out. I'm curious. I can't wait to get into it. But before then, if you're new here, hello, how you doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Peace Dora. Please do also hit the subscribe button. It will go a long way. Give me a big thumbs up if you eventually enjoyed this video, and of course leave a comment for me. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. Oh my god, that was so fast. Like I literally blinked and oh my god, guys.
Wow.
Wait.
Accused him.
That was an accident. You guys, oh, this is scary. The last one I said, no one had an accident. This is an accident. I'm just so grateful that nobody was standing there because I can imagine him hitting somebody with that speed. Ah, I'm not sure if I'm ready for this, honestly. All right, let's continue. Oh, he's still on the floor. Someone is still there. This is crazy. Who is standing there? Someone is standing there. Please leave that place. This is so scary. Like I can't even stand by the side. I can't. Oh my God. The bending in this place is so much. Wow. How someone is standing in the bush? Like why don't you live there? Someone is standing at the other side of the road. I don't think anybody's supposed to be standing there. This is so scary. I thought he fell. Really small. I don't even know what I'm saying now. I meant to say she meant just a little for that person to fall. It's not going to be speaking like Nigerian. It's just so scary. tire is even up. Oh my god. And they're not even scared, they're just excited. Like people watching. What? It's just moving in a blink of an eye. Oh my god. Oh my god, I thought he was going to fall. The way they are bending, it's as if the bike is going to fall.
Yeah, Michael Russell comes over the line. Sean Anderson is going to come into the pits as well as he just crosses past the grandstand here. We wait in anticipation.
My heart is literally beating fast. Guys, can you see the way they are bending, like the way they are slanting that bike? It's like they are almost touching the floor.
Doesn't sound too well, that one, does it? It's gonna die, that, isn't it? Hey? Fancy flat with that.
It's going to be a lot faster. The fastest sector we
They're following each other so closely. Oh my god. You guys, this is indeed the deadliest motorcycle race. I absolutely did not see this one coming because I've seen some, but like they didn't have an accident. But this one person fell. I can only imagine because the speed at which he was going. Anyways, they had the helmet, they have the helmet and every other thing, the shield to protect them and all, but like even at that, I wouldn't let my loved one do this because even by me watching it, I can tell you for him, like this is not me sitting down here because like I'm already at the edge of this chair because it's so scary. I'm like, what? The people that actually go to see this physically and even stand so close to the road watching it live, kudos to you guys because you guys have the mind. I can't. Even if I get paid to go see this for free, I can't because I'll be dead scared. I'm scared for myself. I'll be scared for the riders. This is actually like, it's indeed the deadliest motorcycle game, sports rather. I'm so tensed right now. Like, what? This really happened? Like, is there was one that actually, like, he just, will I say he just, is it fly? Is that a word I will use? Or he just moves like this? I'm like, is somebody truly on this bike or these are automated and they're just moving? Because what manner of speed is this? Is the person not scared? And the one that fell, I don't know. It's like the speed was too much. Maybe he didn't see. And it's just really scary to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you find this interesting? Do you think this is fun? Can you actually go to see this live? Because to me, it's actually scary. It's fun, yeah, but like, not fun for me. This is not my definition of fun. This is scary to me. So yeah, that's about this. But like, I absolutely enjoyed it. I enjoyed that, except the fact that it was actually scary. I enjoyed it. Yes. Thank you all so much for watching it with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it, and you enjoyed my reaction. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. It will really go a long way and it will be highly appreciated. Leave a comment for me. Share your thoughts with me. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I would love to read from you. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Share this video with your friends and loved ones so we can support the channel. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you all on my next video.